Hi and welcome to the Onward and Upward journey with the 505 Circle. The Onward and Upward is a philosophy carved from the passion of understanding businesses, markets, people, products, and tools. And it's a way of building perception through insights, ideas, stories, and thoughts from different experts in the areas of sales, marketing, product, engineering, and growth hacking. First in the series of Onward and Upward, powered by the 505 Circle, we are joining hands with the pioneers and the evangelists and the authors of the Growth Hacking Book 2, bringing out the essence of each of the chapters that they have contributed to. Our guest for today, India's first and only referral marketing consultant, best-selling co-author of the Growth Hacking Book 2, Sarthak Singh. Sarthak, hi and welcome. कैसे हैं आज?
First of all, Kushag, thank you very much. Thank you for having me. I'm doing very well. आप कैसे हैं? How are you doing?
All good, yeah, बहुत बढ़िया. Really nice to have you on board. Very different from the previous interviews that I've actually sort of done. This is the first in its case in terms of referral marketing and referral building as a concept. So I'm really excited to have you on board. Yeah. तो इसी के साथ शुरू करते हैं इसी के साथ शुरू करते हैं आज का वार्तालाप आपसे. So as far as I have gone through your background to understand who you really are, I've actually seen that you are a pioneer in actually building referral systems in businesses, right? So first of all, आपको ये मतलब articulate करना होगा कि what exactly is a referral system and how does one build it and generate sales organically? So can you actually talk a little more about it?
Sure. And Kushagra, इससे पहले मैं थोड़ा बताऊं, I'll take you through a quick story. So what happened? I went to Kerala. So this all started in Kerala. So हुआ क्या वहाँ पे हमें किसी ने recommend किया, there was a localite, and they said कि आप ना इस restaurant में जाएं, ठीक है? And जब दिन का समय हो, आपको बहुत ज्यादा भूख लगी हो, and somebody recommends you to a restaurant, so obviously भूख ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है. And amazing thing was कि जब मैं वहाँ गया तो इतनी लंबी लाइन देखी मैंने और 40 मिनट वेट किया हम सबने. ओके, सो आई वाज लाइक कि अब जब आपको बहुत भूख लग रही है, 40 मिनट वेट करना है, तो इससे अच्छा है कि कुछ और ही सोच लें. ओके, दिमाग को कहीं और दौड़ा लें, वरना तो आप परेशान हो जाओगे.
बिल्कुल.
सो उस समय मैंने सोचा कि ये क्या है, मतलब एट दैट टाइम आई वाज न्यू टू सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग. आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड वर्किंग एंड आई थॉट ये क्या है, मतलब इतनी लाइन लगा के लोग लगे हुए हैं और भी रेस्टोरेंट हैं, लाइक बट व्हाई दिस रेस्टोरेंट? कुछ अलग है क्या इसमें? आई मीन मतलब तो देन आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग दिस अबाउट दिस वर्ड ऑफ माउथ कि मतलब इसी रेस्टोरेंट के में क्यों ऐसा, क्या कोई मायावी शक्ति है क्या इस रेस्टोरेंट में, मतलब जो लोगों को खींच के ले आती है? और सो आई थॉट कि कैन दिस बी रेप्लिकेटेड, बिकॉज सबसे अमेजिंग चीज ये है कुशाग्र कि इंडिया में हम एक बहुत ही क्लीशे स्टेटमेंट यूज करते हैं रेफरल्स को लेके. वो ये है, द स्टेटमेंट इज अरे भाई कोई रेफरल हो तो दे देना, कोई जानते हो तो बता देना. ओके, बट देन मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, बट मैं जल्दी से स्टोरी से जल्दी बाहर आ जाता हूँ. तो उस टाइम पे मैंने सोचना बहुत स्टार्ट किया एंड आई वाज वेरी इंट्रीग्ड कि कैन वी रेप्लिकेट इट इन एनी बिजनेस. ओके, सो दैट वाज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द क्लीशे स्टेटमेंट, आप, मैं और हम सब जो भी किसी तरीके से प्रोफेशनल सेटअप में काम कर रहे हैं, whether we are into sales, marketing or any kind of professional setup that we are in, हम कभी ना कभी किसी ना किसी तरीके के नेटवर्किंग इवेंट में जरूर गए. और हम सब ने बी कार्ड्स बहुत कलेक्ट किए हैं, हम सबके अपने पर्स में बी कार्ड्स हैं. अब मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है आप सभी से, आपसे और आपके जरिए आपके पूरे व्यूअर्स से, कितने लोगों को आपने उस इवेंट के बाद कॉल कर करके आपने उनको रेफरल दिया है? कितने लोगों को दिए होंगे, बट आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग लाइक हाउ फ्रीक्वेंट वाज दैट?
No, very minimal. मेरे को तो ज़्यादा इस बारे में अंदाजा भी नहीं है. I mean, I just take the V card and just keep it, and maybe if at all there is a requirement, I pull it up. Otherwise, I don't even bother about it.
I mean, the thing is कि this is what I see. Actually, क्या होता है, एक mental conditioning होती है. For example, the mental conditioning, अगर मैं बात करूँ, I'm just being a bit candid. Like we all know that if a guy has to propose a girl, they should never ever go through the Bollywood way. Okay, because very high chance that you'll get a rejection. Similarly, हमारी society में when it comes to business, we have been conditioned to do stuff that doesn't work. Like जैसे for example, B cards इस तरीके से देना. I mean, see, I respect that must be the Indian way, but then the question is like हम इतने B cards लोगों को देते हैं, how many referrals or how many leads are we getting through that? That's very, very less, because that's how we've been conditioned about things that doesn't work. Okay. So talking about referral systems, referral system is a very is nothing but a step by step process to generate referrals. मैं कुछ आपको real example दूंगा. So basically I'll give you the first system. I mean, so basically I know more than 100 ways of generating referrals, more than 100 different systems, step by step process that you can incorporate in your business, जहाँ से आप referral start कर सकते हैं. एक example देता हूँ. So I had a client of mine and he had this tuition center. वहाँ पे वो academic tuitions पढ़ाते थे. And उन्होंने मुझसे एक दिन शेयर किया कि सार्थक, पता है क्या, मैं साल के एंड में ज्यादा पैसे कमा लेता हूँ जितना साल में नहीं कमाता. मैंने पूछा कैसे? कहते कि वो क्या होता है, मेरे को ना क्रैश कोर्स के बच्चे मिल जाते हैं, जो बच्चे फेल होने की कगार पे होते हैं, पेरेंट्स आते हैं कि प्लीज इनको पास करा दो. ठीक है. तो मैं वहां से ज्यादा पैसे कमा लेता हूँ. और कुछ बता यार, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बता, क्या कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने कहा कि आपका प्राइस सेंसिटिव प्रोडक्ट है, प्राइस सेंसिटिव आपका सर्विस है, आप एक काम करो. मैंने बहुत सिंपल सा रेफरल सिस्टम दिया, जो कि जनरली किसी भी तरीके के प्राइस सेंसिटिव मार्केट में आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो. तो व्हाट आई टोल्ड हिम कि जब भी पेरेंट आए, तो उनका प्रोग्राम था 5,000 रुपीज का. ओके. सो जब भी कोई पेरेंट आए, एंड जनरली उनके मार्केट को समझते हुए, और जिस एरिया में वो थे, ऑब्वियसली women are more apprehensive about the child's career.
Yes.
Both the parents are, but I'm saying women, especially the housewives, right? So understanding the market, I said कि let's do a test. एक काम करते हैं, आप दो प्राइस दो अपने क्लाइंट कस्टमर को, जो भी आए. 5,000 रुपीज बोलो, एक 3,500 रुपीज बोलो. तो ऐसे में क्या होता था कि जो कस्टमर है वो थोड़ा सा कहता था कि इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है, मतलब 3,500 में क्या क्लासेस कम होंगी. तो वो जैसे मैंने उनको ट्रेन किया था, मैंने कहा आपको प्रेजेंट ऐसे करना है. सब कुछ बताने के बाद यू हैव टू टेल देम the two prices, that is 3,500 and 5,000, and it's your choice which one you want to choose. Obviously, somebody would want to choose the 3,500 one. Yeah. So they'll ask कि इसमें क्या है, इसमें इसमें कम क्लासेस मिलेंगी क्या, या इसमें आप कम पढ़ाओगे क्या. कह रहे कि इसमें कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. If you want to pay the 3,500 rupees, all you have to do is give me 2 referrals. So basically मुझे आप 2 बच्चे मेरे को आप रेफर कर दीजिए. And so what happened कि it worked like a charm, and his batch till date is jam packed just because of this strategy. So basically what I'm trying to say is कि जब उन्होंने 2 prices दिए, anybody wants to go for the lower price. And अच्छा, इसमें एक और चीज थोड़ा सा ट्वीक किया था कि somebody might not have someone to refer. So what they can do is कि आप मुझे क्या नाम है 2 महीने के बाद मुझे रेफर कर देना, कोई बात नहीं, अभी आप 5,000 रुपीज पे करो, आई गिव यू अ कैश बैक. ठीक है. सो आई मीन ये थ्योरेटिकली तो बहुत अच्छी है, बट इन रियलिटी द पेरेंट फेल्ट कि यार मैं किसी ना किसी को रिकमेंड करके मैं करा ही देता हूँ, कौन मतलब 2 महीने के बाद 1,500 रुपए का कैशबैक लेके आएगा. बट कुछ पेरेंट्स ऐसे भी थे, ऑब्वियसली प्राइस वाज अ फैक्टर. तो जहां भी प्राइस सेंसिटिव मार्केट है, वी कैन ऑलवेज यूज दिस स्ट्रेटजी एंड इट वर्क्स लाइक अ चार्म. एंड इसके बहुत सारे वेरिएशंस होते हैं. तो दैट्स जस्ट वन वे ऑफ टेलिंग यू व्हाट रेफरल सिस्टम इज. नाउ आप सोचो कि आपके पास 50 कस्टमर्स हैं, आप उन 50 कस्टमर से एक रेफरल तो ले ही सकते हो ना. ये तो कोई बहुत बड़ी बात तो नहीं हो गई, राइट. एंड उन 50 लोगों से आपने 50 रेफरल्स ले लिए, या फिर 50 लीड्स अगर मैं बोलूं, और उसका 30% भी अगर आप कन्वर्ट करते हो, या बुरे से बुरा 20% भी, दैट्स 10 customers. And depending upon the kind of product or service you have, that's free leads. इतना एफर्ट हम एक प्रोडक्ट, एक कस्टमर को ऑनबोर्ड करने के लिए करते हैं, ओके. तो क्या हम इतना एफर्ट नहीं कर सकते, राइट? या फिर अपनी सेल्स टीम से इतना नहीं करा सकते? I'll give you more such stuff. So as of now, referral system basically means a step by step process, जो कि आप हिंदी में अगर बोलूं तो नीम लगे ना फिटकरी, that you can always use and get some extra customers.
Yeah. And fantastic. What a great analogy you actually sort of given, step by step process by giving that example. Fantastic. It actually gives me a better perception of what referral marketing is actually really is, when it actually sort of aligns to businesses and how it can actually sort of be applied. So you actually spoke about the story as well. So my next question to you was, where did this journey really begin? So was it that Kerala hotel where it actually really began, or what? So yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So what happened when I came back to Kerala and I said, I want to do this. Okay. And I started doing I started researching, I started working on it, and I started और मैंने एक बहुत सिंपल चीज करी कुशाग्र, इतनी सिंपल है वो, इतनी सिंपल है। मैं अपने व्यूअर्स को और आप सभी इसको यूज करना। अगर आपका बिजनेस में 30% सेल्स इंक्रीज नहीं हुए तो मेरा नाम बदल देना।
Wow, I would love to know. Tell me.
कुछ भी नहीं है, इतनी सिंपल चीज है। I mean, so I'll tell you. So I did a lot of research and फिर मुझे कुछ चीजें ट्रायल एंड एरर मैंने बहुत लगाया। अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ, आफ्टर दैट आई मूव्ड इनटू एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री एंड आई एंडेड अप वर्किंग विद अ स्टडी अब्रॉड कंपनी, ओके, क्वाइट अ फेमस कंपनी। एंड आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे कुशाग्र, 70% कस्टमर ऑल रेफरल्स। और 25 साल पुरानी कंपनी है, किसी को लगेगा अरे 25 साल पुरानी कंपनी नाम होगा, फाइन, बट देन उस टाइम पे आई वाज इंट्रिग्ड कि भैया ये आई वांट टू नो ये कैसे करना है, एंड आई जस्ट वेंट डीप डाउन इनटू इट कि ये क्या है। सो आई वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड। सो then I trial and error मैंने बहुत किए, and finally I realized that there's so many ways to one can actually implement these systems, एक ही सिस्टम। अब बेसिकली कुशाग्र मैं अगर 100 सिस्टम बताऊंगा तो लोग ओवरवेल्म हो जाएंगे। द थिंग इज कि किसी को एक फॉर्मूला सिस्टम भी नहीं है उनके बिजनेस के अंदर, ओके। सो मैं आज वही शेयर करता हूँ। तो बेसिकली सो व्हाट समबडी नीड्स टू डू इज, सो बेसिकली एवरी टाइम यू डिलीवर योर सर्विस, ओके, एवरी टाइम, और कभी भी रेफरल वर्ड ना यूज करें कि रेफरल दे दीजिए, ओके। क्लाइंट देना भी चाहता होगा तो उसे नहीं पता कि मैं कैसे करूं, बिकॉज आई टेल यू आई डिड अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड आई फाउंड कि रेफरल ना बड़ा क्लीशे सा स्टेटमेंट है, ओके। आप सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग में है, यू आर हेडिंग द मार्केटिंग ऑफ अ कंपनी, कुशाग्र, यू आर एक्चुअली द रियल बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट गाय, ओके। बट आप जानते हैं, अब मेरा खुद का एक्सपीरियंस है, कई सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव से जब मैं बात करता हूँ, या मैंने पास में जब भी बात करी और बोला है कि डायरेक्टली आप सेल्स में हैं, तो वो कहते हैं नहीं मैं सेल्स में नहीं हूँ, आई एम अ बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट गाय। नो डाउट लोग होते हैं, बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट बहुत ब्रॉड है, बट दे आर डूइंग सेल्स, बट दे डोंट वांट टू बी कॉल्ड एज अ सेल्स गाय। Maybe they don't like the job, I don't know why, what's the reason. Similarly, it doesn't give them a sense of entitlement. So similarly, referral is also kind of a cliched word. So all you have to do is to just replace this word with the word introduce. Okay, you don't use the word referral, you just use the word introduction. Now how you do that, I'm going to reveal my WhatsApp technique of doing this. That's a very easy way to do it. So every time you deliver your service or your product to your client or customer, okay, there is a prerequisite that the customer client has, they have to be happy about the kind of work that you have done. Obviously, how does word of mouth spread? अगर वैसे नहीं तो फिर negative word of mouth spread होगी, so it has to be good. So that's a prerequisite. So what you do is very simple. So first thing is कि you peep into their network, in the sense, let's say you sign up a client, you see what kind of network they have on LinkedIn, okay, what are the kind of people they are already they involved with basically. And once you deliver the service, you tell your client that can you introduce me to at least 2 people. अब होता क्या है, इंट्रोडक्शन जब आप वर्ड यूज करते हो तो देयर इज नो प्रेशर, ओके। रेफरल वर्ड होता है कि आप इनको एक कस्टमर लाके दो, इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. I'm telling you that's a psychology. When someone says introduce, so it's very easy for someone to introduce.
I agree.
So what you do is कि WhatsApp पे मैं maybe future I'll give you some more things about this. So what one does is WhatsApp पे, for example, let's say आप मेरे क्लाइंट हैं और आप रोहन को जानते हैं, मान लीजिए, ठीक है, and you are very happy with my work. Now I know you know Rohan, or basically even if I don't know you know Rohan, I said if you can introduce me to 2 people or 1 person at least. So अब आपको नहीं पता कि मैं कैसे करूं introduce. So that's my job. Okay. So what I need to do is कि I'll ask you to create a WhatsApp group. इसमें कुशाग्र, me and Rohan होंगे, ठीक है. All what Kushagra needs to do is ki, hey Rohan, I worked with Sarthak, just wanted to introduce you, and amazing guy, and these are the kind of results that I've got from him, or this is the kind of work that he has done, that's amazing. Just wanted to let you know that he's doing this and this, that's it, and your job is done. Okay. अब आपने काम कर लिया, मुझे तो एक लीड मिल गई ना बेसिकली वहां से.
Absolutely.
इसका मतलब ये नहीं है वो अगले दिन कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी, but maybe I have that in my pipeline. Now it's my job how I communicate with Rohan and how I add value. Okay. So that's the WhatsApp technique. It is so simple, कुशागर,
Hmm.
इतनी simple है, लोग तो कुछ करते ही नहीं है. मैं forget about 100 systems. Just do this one thing. मेरा नाम बदल देना if it doesn't work. Okay. So that's one. If I share one more thing, so what you can do is before you sign up your client, I call this conditioning your client to give you a referral. So what you do is, it's very simple. So let's say if I am supposed to sign you up, so there's a simple script that our viewers can use. वो ये है कि I'll just tell you कि कुशागर, you know what, मेरा 80% जो business है ना वो referral से आता है. And you know what, ऐसा इसलिए because I just do an amazing job, and only when my clients are happy, you know, I expect them to introduce me to at least 2 people, because this is how, you know, I run my business. That's completely on reputation. Okay, so the first is, I want to delight you with my work, and only when you're satisfied, I would like you to introduce me to 2 people. Is that okay with you? Simple.
Absolutely. Yeah.
That's a very simple way to just put this. And once you've done your work, you know, obviously you'll make sure that you do a great work. You already have conditioned the client that, you know, are you going to come and ask for a referral, and that's how you work. So basically that's a condition of doing this. Okay. So yeah, as of now, these are the few things that I shared. Yeah.
Fantastic. So is line of work में, you know, what are the basic skill sets which are actually sort of required? So can you maybe, you know, put some light on that?
I think the basic skill sets is to not to be afraid of asking for referral. I think that could be the basic thing that, you know, there are more advanced ways of doing it actually, but I wanted to come up with things that people can just use right away once they, you know, go through this interview of us, and just start implementing it and start seeing the results on their own. Okay. So the basic skill set is, people have this inhibition. So for example, I'll tell you, so there was a client of mine, and the kind of business she was in was, you know, that's a wedding coaching business. Okay. Where the client shares the information that's very discreet in nature. Okay. So for example, let's say you are sharing very discreet information with me. Okay. But you won't go out and tell others, hey, you know what, वो सार्थक से यार क्या amazing job he has done, मेरी शादी बचा ली इसने. Okay, you won't do that because you don't, come on, you don't want to share this. No. Now what to do. Okay. But there's still an easy way to get such introduction. So for example, let's say, again, you know, using the WhatsApp technique. So what you can do is so you might not introduce regarding your case, but what you can simply do is, hey, I would like to introduce to Sarthak, and he recently helped someone, not me. He recently helped someone, and this is the kind of work he does. Just wanted to introduce you, and so he would like to share something with you, and that's it. Very simple introduction. And इसमें एक और चीज होती है कुशागर, we call the referral tools. Okay. So for example, if whatever I have explained, you know, all I have to do is, in the next introduction, all I have to do is to get this video and help my clients to send this video as a tool to make them understand that what is the kind of work that I do. So I don't need to go out and tell others. I have the tool with me, and that's a very basic tool. That's a video, you know. So many referral tools, or maybe a PDF file about what you can do. So the client doesn't need to do any job. You don't need to do any job. Your tool will do that.
Absolutely. So coming to the growth hacking book too, Sarthak. So you actually have co-authored that book. So we'll be very interested in knowing what the chapter is all about. Obviously, it's going to be referral marketing in a way, but can you actually throw some more light on what the chapter is all about, what the essence of it really is?
Sure. So first of all, I'm very excited. I'm very thankful to Rohan and the team for giving me this opportunity. And so basically the essence of this chapter is to give them a complete insight about and to come out of that preconceived notions of referrals. Now I'll tell you what I mean by that. Every time someone approaches me, okay, they're very excited. Yaar, ye referral kya hai, Sarthak? You know, what is this referral marketing? They know what referrals are. You have experience you're a seasoned marketing guy. You've experienced how a referral client is. They're so easy. They don't negotiate with you. The trust is already assumed. Okay, and you close them like anything. Okay,
Hmm.
so people are excited. They know what referral is. So the essence is to make people know that referrals are not passive in nature. They are active in nature.
Hmm.
Okay, so basically it's not like just like that hotel we think कि अरे बस
Hmm.
सब कुछ अपने आप आ रहा है.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
This can also be a possibility, but then when it's not a possibility, how to make it a possibility? But you have to be active in nature.
Hmm.
Referrals are active in nature. It is not like it will come on its own. Okay, so this is the essence of this chapter, and how you can start one basic system in your business, basic referral system in your business, and start applying it right away and start seeing the results. So that's the basic essence of the chapter.
Fantastic. So I always used to, believe that referral is passive. Yeah, this is always used to be a case with me. Now I'm really keen to understand what this is, and I'm going to read that chapter. So really going to get my hands on the book and read your chapter in particular.
Sure,
Thanks for
sure.
that. So continuing forward, your future goals and aspirations. What is lined up for you?
Okay. So थोड़ा सा मैं अपने व्यूअर्स को थोड़ा बताऊं बेसिकली कि why I'm so confident about this is that my first love is direct response copywriting. That's a
Hmm.
form of copywriting where you are responsible for generating sales from your copywriting.
Hmm.
So recently I wrote a copy for my client. He's a fitness trainer. He came up with a course, 1,000 rupees course. Long story short, the copy has generated till now $40,000 in sales. That's 28 lakh rupees.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Now I don't market myself as a copywriter. I People don't know if I'm a copywriter, but I do. I All my projects have just come through referrals,
Hmm.
just through doing by WhatsApp technique, just through getting introductions, and so many other stuff that I keep on doing it. Okay, just through referrals. So my future aspiration is to first of all make people aware about how powerful the referrals are, and basically if possible then just a fancy vision that maybe future organization can have a separate referral marketing person inside their organization, maybe create a
Fantastic.
job. That's just a
Fantastic.
fancy way of thinking that who are
Yeah.
just exactly focused upon how like the sales team is doing a different work, and they can just exactly focus and track how many referrals we were able to generate. So that that's a fancy vision that I have. And so yeah, ultimate goal is to be the go-to guy for their business, whichever kind of business they are. And I would love to be the person where they can trust that, okay, if Sarthak is in our team, we don't have to worry about the business, he can take care of that. Yeah, that's
No,
my vision.
I really love your zeal, vision, and passion at whatever you really do. Kudos to you and all the best. Yep.
Thank you, thank
So,
you.
a couple of more things before we sign out. So, one
Sure.
success mantra that you would want to leave the audience, with to inspire them. Tough times for all of us. We're almost, getting through COVID, and almost, the vaccine is on its way. Maybe everybody's waiting for it, but it's become the new normal. But yeah, something inspiring for them, because you are an entrepreneur yourself, and if you could just leave us with something inspiring, that would be great.
Uh, so my Kushak, my inspiration is not very. It's not westernized. It's more traditional Indian.
Go for
So
it.
it's like it's a very simple statement that is to be devoted to your work. Okay,
Hmm.
and just to be dissolved. For example, let's say at times, see, I will be honest. We all want to do stuff and make create an impact and really create results. The kind of results we want to create, but then if okay, so this is how I see. I just want to dissolve myself into my work so that not at all worried if I'm getting results or not getting results, because at the end of the day, if I'm हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना अपने आप को झोंक देना, because
Hmm.
that's ultimately that's what you can do. I mean, what else you can do? You
Yeah.
can create the best plan, you can create the best strategies, and you can do the best execution. But then I think my success mantra is to be happy that I gave my best. Okay,
Hmm.
and let's see whatever happens. So that is my ultimate success mantra. That's at least you sleep well. Like, yeah, I did my best. अब जो होगा देखा जाएगा, या फिर जो हुआ fine, I did my best. If the result is favorable to me or not favorable to me, yeah.
That's a
all.
fantastic way of looking at things. Great. One final one, a big shout out from your side for the viewers to go out there and order the growth hacking book. So maybe go for it.
अगर आप चाहते हैं अपने बिजनेस में बहुत जबरदस्त तेजी से एक जबरदस्त ग्रोथ हैक करना, तो आप इस बुक को डेफिनेटली ऑर्डर कीजिए कि इसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ रेफरल मार्केटिंग के ऊपर ही नहीं, आपको बहुत ही अमेजिंग कंट्रीब्यूटर्स मिलेंगे। एंड बिलीव मी, if you implement and if you really use the material, you will definitely be on the track of getting a really, really great growth hack in your business. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Fantastic, Sarthak. This was amazing. I loved every bit of our conversation. And thank you so much for being a part of the Firefly Circle and sharing some great insights and best practices, which I'm sure will help many to go onward and upward. Thank you.
Thank you for having me, Tushar. Thank you very much.